Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you our free Fall Bear sticker kit that you can download in our customer hub. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. Okay, so here is our sticker kit that is free in our customer hub. The link will be below in the description so you can join our free customer hub. It has some cute little bears. All of our sticker sets have at least 4 scriptures in them. We have prayer lists to do, some boxes, some washi tape, some check mark boxes, some list boxes, then Sunday through Saturday, some icons, some little flags and boxes. And here are our date covers, super cute. And we've got some little decorative elements. And then some more icons. And some scripture sayings. So that is our free Fall Bear sticker kit that you can download for free inside the customer hub, and the link will be in the description below. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. See you next time.